The machine along spline or polyline command has been renamed to cut 3D path and now supports solid edge selection. You can choose between two geometry selection types, splines or polylines or solid edges. This builds on the improvements made previously to the 3D edge extraction workflow, allowing those usability enhancements to be used for 5-axis toolpath creation. Selected edges get highlighted white, and you can go back by clicking on a white edge or select a run of edges by holding Shift. Turn on the Ghost tool to confirm your direction settings. With this update, there's no longer any need to extract a polyline from a solid edge before applying a toolpath. This makes the workflow quicker and simpler, while also improving support for solid models and direct application of 5-axis toolpaths.